welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiki Beauty, and if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel and become a beauty. Over here we're all about positive vibes and about life goals, and we talk about things, real stuff that goes on in life. So if you guys subscribe to my channel, I promise to subscribe back. Just leave me a comment below saying that you subscribe to my channel, because that's what I did all last week. I went and checked out a lot of small YouTubers and made comments and subscribed to you guys' channel, and I got a few of them that came back to my channel and showed me love. So hey, we all in this together, small YouTubers. Let's stick together. So if you come to my channel and subscribe to me, I promise you'll get a subscribe back. So how many of you ladies are ready for fall? It's fall season. I never really did like cold weather per se, but honey, I live in Texas, and when I tell you it's been a hot summer, I am so ready for the cold. Okay, bring on the cold. So I'm gonna do a cute little fall look. I already done my eyebrows, and I'm gonna set my eyes. Ooh, Lord, I got spoke. With this setting powder here. Where's my brush? So if you've been on my page, then honey, you already know I'm indecisive all the time about what looks I'm going for. So child, I don't know. I'm winging it and freestyling. So I'm just, ooh, this is so messy. I'm just setting my eyes so it don't crease. So my eyes is always creasing. Okay, so fall colors are all about earth tones, like orange, brown, golden colors, neutral colors. So I'm gonna use this Zulu palette by Beauties Place, and I think I'm gonna go with this orangey color for my transition color. So let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that's kind of bright, but we'll tone it down, probably with some browns or something. So I'm just gonna do that above my crease line. It's gonna be my transition color. Okay, so I'm putting this above the crease line. My eyes, like I put the concealer and the powder, like it's still already creasy. I don't know what kind of eyes I got going on or what I'm doing wrong. Okay, let me go to the other side. Do the same on the other side. Y'all, I was thinking about my outfit. The one I had got from Shein, the little plaid with the jacket and the shorts. I can't wait to wear my little cute boots with that for the winter time. Get some cute little black thigh-high boots, honey. You ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? It's gonna be so cute. I don't know if I should make it like a little darker. I'm gonna go in with the Magic Mini by Beauties Place, and I think I'm gonna go with Zakia, like this orange, and let me see how this one look. Maybe it'll darken it up a little bit. No, this is brighter, but it's pretty though. I'm gonna go ahead and go with it. This orange a little bit brighter. This look more like, I don't know, like sunsetty. It's real pretty. This look more like pumpkin, Halloween. But just stay with me. I'm gonna make it work. I'm definitely gonna make it do what it do. Okay, do the same to the other side. Okay, I'm gonna transition that orange with this brown color right here. So let's make the transition with that. I'm gonna put it like kind of right on top. Just try not to go into the lid part because we're gonna have a whole nother special color for that one. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, y'all. Not sure. Just know it's gonna be bomb. Just know that. So that's making it a little bit more darker. I'm liking that brown on top of the orange. Yeah, that's cute. I like that. See, this side versus this side. It's more winter, fall. Okay, y'all, now I'm gonna go in with my concealer and do kind of a cut crease, I guess, if that's what you want to call it, because y'all know me. I'm still a work in progress. I'm still trying, y'all, so I'm not sure if I can get this cut crease, but I'm gonna try. I'm gonna try, y'all. Concealer done. Now for the bases, I don't know what color I'm gonna use for the bottom part. Gotta do something a little bold. What about this green Buzzo? I'm scared, y'all. Should I try? Let's see what Buzzo talking about. Let's see. Y'all think this too bright? Both of us real pretty though. Maybe I should have saved that for a Christmas look. I don't know. Showing you guys the colors. So now I'm thinking I need to go in with a dark brown, so I'm gonna use the Warrior palette. I'm gonna go with Mino, M-I-N-O. How would you say that? Mino. So I'm gonna go in with Mino on the sides. And let's see how that looks. Okay, I'm feeling the colors. Let me wipe this excess on the sides. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of liner. I don't know what I did with my other liner. It was like the pencil kind. I like that better. see. See the L'Oreal pencil. That's if I even got any more up in here, child. I'm not really good at wings, but I'm gonna try. All right, y'all, I did my liner. So I'm just gonna hydrate my skin and get ready for my favorite part, foundation. I love putting foundation on, that's my favorite part. But for me, I have to put the foundation on first and then my eyelashes, cause it's like the foundation to get caught up under, you know, the eyelashes, like when you brushing up and doing all that. And then you have to put some eyeliner on it to cover up the color of the foundation that you done got on your eyelashes. And everybody have their own way, steps of the way that they do things. So it's no right or no wrong way, but that's just the way that I do it. Baby, this pimples is not letting me be great. Like, what is this? I'm gonna have to really start giving me a face routine thing going on, because baby, I can't be having no acne. Like, that's just not cute. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use my foundation stick by Juvia's Place. This is Madagascar, in the color Madagascar. So y'all, for the ones that's new, y'all saw me use this before, but for the ones that's new, don't be alarmed. I promise it's gonna blend in well. It looks very orangey, I'm aware. But I promise you, I'm gonna blend this and this is gonna be real cute. Let me take this scarf off. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my concealer under my eyes. And if you guys have any questions about what products or whatever that I'm using or where I got it from, don't hesitate to leave a comment, because I'm just no longer putting all that information in the description box. It takes so much time. And if you guys are not interested, then what's the point, you know? So, but for the ones that is, trust me, I do not mind giving you guys the information, or where you can get it from, or how to use it, or whatever kind of questions you guys have. I am here to help. So I'm just patting this under my eyes. Now it's time to add my lashes. I need to fix that a little bit under my eyes. Baby, skin is popping. Skin is glowing and popping. It look a little shiny and greasy though, but it's still cute. Looks very hydrated. I don't know, I need to fix this part right here. Lashes are on. I think I need to add like something at the bottom. I was thinking about adding some green at the bottom, or should I do like maybe I should do like a burgundy or something for the bottom of my lashes, lash line. I think I'm gonna do Jezebel. I think I'm gonna do that at the bottom. And the lips are aligned. And for the moment you've been waiting for. The beautiful lipstick. Yes, that completes the look. This is Autumn. It's by Lion Bliss. It's a small lipstick company here in Houston, Black owned. Y'all, I had did a whole little video tutorial on these lipsticks because they sent me these. Like I bought one lipstick and I took a picture and I tagged them in, and they really liked my lipstick on me or whatever. So she sent me like 10 lipsticks in the mail, and I did a whole video on it, and I accidentally deleted it. But this is Autumn. It's a beautiful burgundy color. I've been waiting to wear this, y'all. This is definitely fall. Ooh, 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 ooh. This completes the look. Yes, yes. Honey, lips is popping. I need to line that up a little bit. Lips is popping. So what you're gonna do is just pat this gently in. The lipstick is matte. And there you have it, fall ready. My little hat, I don't think this all the way matching, but you know, you ain't gonna be able to tell. My little Burberry scarf. Welcome to Paris. Oui, 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 oui. So yes, that completes the look, honey. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel. And remember, you are beautiful. Bye, y'all.